Let's go to Five Below. And in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all just some unique things at Five Below that are cleaning products I love for my house to be clean. And so, you know, they have like $5 Mr. Wipes, Clorox. Oh, I wanted to try these Centivus. The Clorox all-purpose. They have just some unique things in Five Below. I wanted to try the Clorox. So I got one of those, and then they have the Clorox Rice, Mr. Scrubby Daddy. Then the Milk and Honey, the Lemon and Citrus hand wash. Centivus Clorox. I tried one of those. I picked up one of those and we bought it. I think I'm going to review that one. But these are Five Below finds. You know, they have the toilet paper. You get 6 rolls of Scott for $5. Hand sanitizer. And this is the Febreze Vanilla and Magnolia. Let me know if you want me to try this. I did get that one. Again, this is TJInspires. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Which one would you try? That's the coconut. This is Febreze. I think these are kind of like spring scent. This is honeysuckle. So these should be on sale, but they wasn't. The Milk and Honey. Again, this is cleaning or bathroom products. This was $4 at Five Below. And then, you know, they got the Cowtails. Comment below if you would try these Cowtails. I really don't like anything caramel or like Laffy because it gets stuck in your teeth. But needless to say, we're in Five Below. And then you guys know winter is coming and you want to be comfy. So they had shoes, house shoes, clogs, nice, you know, keep your feet warm. These are like $7. It's not Five Below anymore. Again, don't forget to like and share through the video. Comment below, would you get anything in this video from Five Below? Or would you like me to get anything in this video from Five Below? I did get the Centivus, so I'll do a short on that one. Don't forget to like, share, comment. This has been TJ Inspires. Peace, love, and blessings.